Good day, lecturer and fellow students. My name is Vivek Tosaram, and today I will be presenting my cybersecurity awareness chatbot development for prog6221 portfolio of evidence part 3. The purpose of this application is to educate users about cybersecurity while providing useful tools such as task management, cybersecurity quizzes, natural language processing, and activity tracking. This project builds upon the functionality developed in Part 1 and Part 2 and introduces database integration and tasks assistant, a cybersecurity quiz, NPL simulation, and a activity login feature. The application was developed using Windows Forms, .NET 8, MySQL database, Visual Studios. The chatbot provides cybersecurity guidance while helping users manage important cybersecurity-related tasks. The project follows an object-oriented design and uses a MySQL database to store tasks and reminders. I will now demonstrate major features of this application. The first feature is the cybersecurity chatbot. The chatbot responds to users' questions about cybersecurity topics such as password security, phishing attacks, malware, two-factor authentication, safe browsing. When a user enters a cybersecurity-related question, the chatbot analyzes the input and searches for keywords. For example, if the user asks, "What is phishing?" the chatbot responds with an explanation of phishing and provides advice on how to avoid phishing attacks. Similarly, it also allows the user to ask about passwords. The chatbot provides recommendations for creating strong passwords using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. This allows users to learn cybersecurity concepts interactively. The second major feature is the Task Assistant. The purpose of the Task Assistant is to help users manage cybersecurity-related activities, which include updating passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, reviving privacy settings, updating antivirus software. Users can enter a task title, a task description, and optional reminder date. When the task is submitted, it's stored permanently in a MySQL database. The application uses the database helper class to communicate with the database. The tasks table contain task ID, title, description, completion status, reminder date, creation date. The user can view all these directly from the interface. Additional functionalities, which include marketing tasks as completed, updating reminders, deleting tasks. Whenever a task is added, completed, or deleted, the database is updated immediately. This ensures that the user information is preserved even after the application is closed. The third feature is the cybersecurity quiz. The quiz was designed to enforce cybersecurity knowledge through interactive learning. The application contains more than 10 cybersecurity questions, converting topics such as pushing, password security, safe browsing, social engineering, malware. Questions are displayed one at a time. The user selects an answer and immediately receives feedback. For example, if the answer is correct, the chatbot displays a positive message and explains why the answer is correct. If the answer is incorrect, the chatbot provides the correct answer along with a brief explanation. The application keeps track of the user's score through the quiz. At the end, the final score is displayed along with personal feedback. This helps users assess their cybersecurity knowledge and identify areas for improvement. The fourth feature is the natural language processing, or NPL simulation. The purpose of the feature is to make the chatbot more flexible and responsive. Users often ask for the same thing using different wording. For example, if a user types add a task, another user may type create a reminder or even remind me to update my password tomorrow. The chatbot keeps keyword detection and string matching to identify the user's intent. This is implemented using string connections, keyword matching, input normalization, conditional statements. The chatbot recognizes these keywords such as task, reminder, quiz, password, phishing, security. This allows the chatbot to understand different variations and user requests without requiring exact wording. As a result, the interaction feels more natural and user-friendly. The final major feature is the activity login. The activity login records important actions performed by both the chatbot and the user. Examples are task creation, task completion, task deletion, reminder creation, quiz attempts, NPL command recognition. Whenever one of these actions occur, a new entry is added to the activity login. User can request show activity login or what have you done for me. The chatbot then displays a summary of recent activities. This feature improves transparency and allows users to receive their interactions with the system. Object-oriented programming and design. The application was developed using object-oriented programming design. Several classes were created to separate responsibilities. The classes are security tasks for task information, database helper for database operations, quiz-related classes for quiz management, activity logging classes for activity tracking. This modular design improves maintainability, reliability, and scalability. In conclusion, cybersecurity awareness chatbot successfully combines cybersecurity education with practical tasks and management tools. This product demonstrates a GUI development, database integration, project-oriented programming, cybersecurity awareness concepts, quiz implementation, natural language processing simulation, activity logging. These features work together to create an engaging and educational cybersecurity application. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration of my cybersecurity awareness chatbot.